But let's get it. YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Guapo. Be back with another video, guys. And today, as you guys see, we got another POV. This time it's gonna be like a dusk POV, I guess you can call it, if that makes any sense. It's about to be dark here in probably like 30 minutes, if that. But anyways, guys, like I said, we got the cat out. As you guys know, before the POV starts, we got to get the cold start in. But it's actually warm, so yeah. We're going to go ahead and get this in. We're going to hit the road, so let's get it. Yeah, cleaner. All right, y'all, I'm going to see y'all in the car. All right, y'all, so we are in the car, and I know y'all heard that squeal. I need to get my valves checked because I'm pretty sure that's what I heard. Let me know in the comments if you know what that sound could have been when I did my auto start. But anyways, guys, let's get the settings going real quick. As you guys see, I always got to put it in custom because this is the... Like I said, y'all, so let's go ahead and get it. Like I said, we bring y'all a little late afternoon POV, I guess you can call it. Gotta look both ways. And we're good. I'm gonna go this way, actually. Yeah, let me go ahead and go this way. Big old truck. Stay in your lane, bub. Stay in your lane. Thank you, pal. But anyways, guys, how you guys doing? Comment below. How's y'all's builds and stuff if you guys are in the cars. If not, you're just here to watch. How's your day? Doing good? Because right now, I'm not gonna lie, if you guys haven't checked out my latest post, it's not doing so well, but it's okay because I'm gonna bring y'all the content y'all really like I said. And yeah, that's pretty much that. So I'm gonna go quiet for a little bit, drop the gear, let y'all hear it. Y'all hear it clapping? And we got a Camaro behind us. We'll go and get that right there. Perfect. I wonder what kind of Camaro that is behind us. I think it was an SS. I don't know though. It's crazy because I actually like Camaros. Out of the 3 American, you can't even call them American muscle cars. Out of 3 American-made sport/muscle cars, the Camaro, the Mustang, and of course the Charger or Challenger. I'm not gonna lie, the Camaro is coming in second for me because I'm sorry. If you got a Mustang, it's no hate whatsoever, but I just can't stand them. It's probably because when I had my when I had my RT, I got beat by every single Mustang there was in town probably. But which I understand that we're talking about a 10-speed compared to an 8-speed. We're talking about weight. We're talking about a whole bunch of things. I get that. I definitely was not pushing. Well, I mean, I was probably pushing the power. I just wasn't, the weight is what was getting me in the RT. But like I said, that kind of started my hate with Mustangs. Now, don't get me wrong. If you got a 350 or a 500, oh yeah, I respect that. Or even a heavy modded 5.0. You know what I'm saying? But I just can't stand them. And like I said, it's nothing to do with y'all. It's something to do with the car. Swear that sound never gets old. I hope the wind isn't too bad for you guys. I got the green light, bub. Don't do it. I'm gonna go ahead and turn her around right here. All right, y'all, so we're back at it. Sorry I had to turn around and everything like that and have problems with my camera, but let's get it. Not us stuck in traffic. Not us stuck in traffic. Alright, y'all, let me go ahead and roll these damn windows up real quick. Alright, y'all, that's gonna be it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a like, comment, and subscribe, guys. I'll bring you guys more content like this. You just gotta show some love. That's it. And it's your boy Guapo B, and I'm out.